by and help me cook.
Okay.
Grab your tray. I'm Rosario and this is my daughter Jean. Say hi, Jean.
Hi.
We're going to be sharing a Mexican gordita recipe for a noble cause. As you can see, these are the Mexican beautiful gorditas. They taste so good and they're easy to make. I cook the dry Mexican corn. I made corn flour from scratch. So Jean is going to go ahead and make the gorditas for me. Go ahead, Jean.
Okay. I'll make it with my hands.
Can you show them how to make it by hand? Press it a little more, like this.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Done.
Just wait there. You're going to help me. Can you make another one? So as you can see, it's pretty easy. We're using a Mexican little press, tortilla press.
Ta-da!
Wow, thank you so much. So we're gonna cook the ground beef. So we add a little bit of oil to the fry pan, a little bit of garlic salt. Good job, Jeannie. Is it ready?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Oh, Mommy, that was
Yes.
too big.
That was too big? No, it's okay. It's just perfect. So now we're gonna cook it. So we cook both of the sides of the gordita.
You're going to cook them, and they're going to be so good.
Yeah, they're going to be so good.
Ta-da!
Wow, thank you. So once the gordita are cooked, we're gonna open them.
Ta-da!
Wow. So it looks like the beef is about ready.
Ta-da!
Thank you. And for the picadillo, we're gonna need 3 carrots and a potato shredded, cilantro. So we're gonna add the carrots. We're gonna add the cilantro. Okay, so now that we have added the carrots, potato, and cilantro, we're gonna cover the meat to let it cook. We fry the gordita. As you can see, they're nice and frying. We're gonna add a little bit more oil.
Good. 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 Mommy, I'll help you.
Okay.
I love you.
Love you.
Thank you.
And they're so easy to make. And you can also add cheese. We usually add shredded cheese to it.
Do you like that, Mommy?
Yes, so delicious.
This is ready.
Say thank you for watching, Jean.
Thank you
Look at
for
the camera.
watching.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.